Hi guys, what I trying to do now, I inside the car with the motion controller to control the avatar to chase me or chase this car. Okay, I inside. Okay, look good. Okay. Thank you. Then I follow behind. Okay, check my battery. It's just 9 minutes. Oh, my safety belt. Hey. Oh, oh, oh. 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 Wait. Alamak, my safety belt. I cannot stop. I need to practice more to fly like this. Can you put one side first? I put my safety belt. The monkey waiting for you. When I check the distance now, it's only 530. Thank you. Sorry. Okay. Okay, Ken. Okay, nice shot. Then I try to. Oh, my speed too fast. Oh, battery flat. Battery flat. Stop. Stop, 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 stop. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, okay, carry on. Okay. If you focus to fly, then you forget to check the distance. It's what is happened. And the same time, I also forget to check how much the battery balance. So when the battery finish, the drone stop and try to return home, try to move. So what I do, I press brake quickly and manually control or to landing the drone. So good to try, but I need to practice more. The reason is, while I'm sitting in the car is moving, you know, like a brake, a forward, and when I turn, my body also turn. That confused me. Look like I'm driving a car. Actually, I fly a drone. So I need to practice to make perfect focus. What I want, the shot. Again, focus on the battery. Also the distance from take off earlier. Okay, good. See you again. Yes.